My journey came full circle on March 16th of 2023, 15 years after being paralyzed. En route to bring Charlotte into this world, I had to receive another epidural injection. I had to face it head on. And in that process, I realized how strong I was, how much power I had. The day of my gold medal race in Paris, I warmed up. I went to that ready room. I listened to the song on repeat that we listened to every single night when we went through IVF doing our injections. I looked at those 2 photos, and when I wheeled out onto that pool deck, I saw my husband and our daughter in the stands, cheering Mama on. And that night, we raced with everything we had in us. And in those final 25 meters, I wasn't looking at feet. I wasn't looking at anybody. It was just me and the black line. And I knew exactly what I was swimming home to. When my hand met that wall, I looked up and I saw my daughter shaking her little pom-pom that my mom had made out of fleece for her. My husband was losing his mind, and I just broke. Because in that moment in Paris, winning Paralympic gold as a mom, I realized that my greatest blessing came into my life as a byproduct of my greatest trauma. And that is true for so many of us. That is the power of simultaneous. That is the power of knowing we can hold 2 things at once. That there is space for both. That our goal in life is to not just move on from the adversities, but move through them and carry them with us, allowing them to be the things that make us the strongest version of ourselves. And at every turn, we have to know why. Why do you do it? If you don't know that answer, take a pen and a piece of paper. Find somewhere quiet, somewhere that brings you peace. Sit down, turn your phone off, and just be where your feet are for a moment in time. And write it. Put it in your wallet. Put it on your nightstand, tape it to the mirror of your vanity, but carry it with you somewhere where you will interact with it. Because there will be hard days, days where it all crumbles, where the world completely shifts. And sure, that doesn't solve for it, but it certainly helps you know how to navigate through and understand why you are fighting so hard to do so.